Okay, let's test our knowledge on Jing, essence, the root of life in TCM. Jing is most commonly translated as.
Essence
Jing is considered one of the most blunt manifestations of Qi.
of yin
Jing is primarily responsible for.
or growth and development.
Jing is stored in the.
Kidneys
Jing is the basis of.
of shan
Which structure is directly created by Jing?
bones
Jing is closely associated with.
with the kidneys.
The three types of Jing include.
Pre-heaven, post-heaven kidney yin.
Pre-heaven Jing is obtained from.
Pre-heaven is from parents.
Post-heaven Jing is derived from.
Food and drink
Kidney Jing results from.
from interaction of pre and post-heaven yin.
Jing governs.
Fertility and reproduction.
Jing forms the basis of.
Basis of semen and ova.
Bone marrow in TCM is produced by.
Yin.
The brain is called the.
Of marrow.
Weak Jing may cause.
Which delayed development.
Poor memory and dizziness may indicate deficiency of.
Yin.
Poor memory. Manifest. Jing manifests in the. Okay.
All of the
All
above.
of the above. Premature graying of hair suggests.
Kidney yin deficiency.
Tinnitus in old age may relate to.
Kidney
weakness.
Okay, kidney Jing weakness. The ears are nourished by.
Kidney yin.
Jing naturally declines with.
Age.
The spleen and stomach are known as the root of.
Of post-heaven.
The kidneys are called the root of.
Pre-heaven yin.
Diba? Yan Qi is created from.
Transformation of kidney yin.
Qi differs from Jing because the Qi.
Changes quickly.
Jing cycles in women occur every.
7,
Jing cycles in men occur every.
8 years.
Menstruation typically begins in girls at.
14,
Semen production typically appears in boys around.
16,
Wisdom teeth commonly emerge when Jing peaks at.
21 to 24 years.
21 sa girls, 24 sa boys. Menopause is associated with depletion of.
Chang and Ren.
Jing circulates especially through the.
The 8 extra.
Yes, that's why we need to master it, no? The 8 extraordinary vessels are associated with.
With the fundamental development.
Which organ system produces post-heaven Jing?
7 is spleen and stomach.
Jing is difficult to.
To replenish.
Excessive sexual activity may.
Deplete Jing.
Chronic illness may.
Deplete Jing.
So dapat hindi nagkakasakit, no?
Yes.
Dapat regular treatments and then manage your health.
Yes.
Which lifestyle factor helps preserve Jing?
Adequate rest.
Of course. Meditation is considered,
Jing nourishing.
so that means hindi ka tatanda, no?
Yes.
Ay, kaya pala. Ay,
Why?
nakangiti si Sir Jobel, oh. Happy. Qigong is believed to,
Nurse Jing.
oh yes, we should do Qigong. Tanungin
Evil.
natin si Dr. John William. Okay. Which food is considered Jing nourishing?
Oysters.
No.
Oyster.
Alangan naman sagutin ni John.
Ano?
Oysters. O, di ba? Eat oysters na. Okay. Which acupuncture point directly influences the Jing?
Renfor.
What is the Chinese name? Yeah.
Chongwan. Tawa.
Hindi, oh. Kuan Yan. Kuan Yan. Another important point for Jing.
Dufour.
So,
Renfor, Dufour, kidney 3. Oh, diba? Renfor, Dufour, kidney 3.
ay, memorize. Which kidney point benefits the Jing?
Kidney 3.
So, Ren4, Do4, kidney 3. Tusukin nyo yan. Jing is considered part of the,
3 treasures.
what are they?
Jing, blood, and
Ano? Hindi on. Sir Jobel, ano yung 3 treasures?
what are the 3 treasures? Jing,
Chin.
Isa lang yung
Shin.
mention.
Chi blood fluids.
Wala, hindi kasama ang blood.
Chi blood fluids. Chi blood fluids.
No,
Hindi. Jing.
automatic.
Chi, Jing, Shen.
Jing, Qing, Shen.
Ayun.
The 3 treasures are, nandito. Ay,
Jing, Shen.
letter B. Jing is the most blank aspect of the 3 treasures.
Most dense.
Shen is the most blank aspect of the 3 treasures.
Subtle.
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 Provides the material basis for
For Shan.
Jing.
ano?
Zin.
Shen.
Yeah.
In children may cause
Reaching
For the nail close.
delayed fontanel closure. Loose teeth in old age indicate decline of hair loss may result from deficiency of congenital weakness often reflects weak manamana. The closest Western comparison to pre-heaven Jing is
In A.
yes. I hope you know what DNA stands for, no? Jing is compared to
savings account.
savings account. Wag na umos. Using more chi than produced will
Consume Jing reserve.
going back to savings account, how do you replenish your savings account?
Food and fluids.
Eat
Wait,
oysters.
no, ito. Kailangan adequate rest.
Adequate rest. Proper food intake.
And you should also do meditation and qigong. Diba? And what are the points, Sir Jobel?
Nawala.
Ayan, wala ka agad. Can you tell him?
Ren4.
Yun lang.
D4.
Ren4, Do4, and?
Kidney 3.
Yes. Using more chi than produced will
Consume Jing.
Okay. The transformation of Jing produces
Yuan
Yan
Chi.
Qi.
galing, yan Qi. Mingmen is associated with
With Kidney Yang.
Mingno.
Mingmen is known as the
Fire.
Gate of Fire. Sino si Sea of Marrow?
Si Brain.
Sino si Sea of Blood?
Si
Spleen.
Ha? Anong
Spleen. Spleen.
Anong spleen? Hindi oh.
Sea of
Liver.
blood.
Sige na, next time na lang. Jing and Mingmen have a
Mutual relation.
mutual. The warming action that transforms kidney yin into kidney qi comes from
Kidney Yang.
kaya kailangan hindi malamig yung mga paan natin.
Tama.
Kidney Jing is primarily
Primarily
Nature.
huh?
yin
Yin
in
nature.
Yin in nature. Qi cycles are generally
faster.
Than Jing titles.
faster than Jing. Which symptom may indicate weak marrow?
Concentration.
Poor concentration. Habitual miscarriage. May pasyente ka parating nagmi-miscarriage. Anong gagawin mo?
Tonifying.
Hindi. First, ano ba? Anong cause ng habitual miscarriage?
Weak
Habitual.
Deficient
Weak Jing.
of
Jing.
Jing.
Jing. So, alam mo na anong gagawin. Infertility may be related to
So, kidney Jing deficiency.
deficiency. Jing deficiency may lead to
Brittle bone.
brittle bones. The term Tian Kui refers to
Semen and ova.
Of
Jing peaks in women around
21.
28.
28.
28. Jing peaks in men around
32.
at age 49 in women. Ano nangyayari?
Menstruation
Mm.
Of
ceases.
course. At age 64 in men.
Teeth and hair fall out.
Okay. The emotional and mental aspect rooted in Jing is
Chan.
Chan.
Jing deficiency may contribute to
So,
Learning
learning
mm,
difficult.
a weak constitutional strength indicates weak
Thing.
Jing. Which organ is most responsible for protection?
Wei Qi.
Organ.
Very cheap.
Wei Qi. Mali yung question. Wei
Ayan.
Qi ultimately draws support from
Kidney essence.
yes, kidney essence. Ang galing. Excessive stress may
may consume Qi.
which practice is most associated with conserving Jing? Tipid.
Moderation.
Of course. The fire of the gate of life accumulates at
Do for.
Do for.
we have an essence, concentrates at
Ren for.
Therefore,
kidney essence is replenished by
post heaven.
post heaven essence. Essence changes.
Gradually over long periods.
Wow. Qi is primarily formed.
After,
Before.
after birth.
Ano before?
After birth.
After birth.
Qi before. After birth.
After birth pala.
Which symptom is associated with Jing?
Loose teeth.
Lost teeth.
Poor hearing in old age often reflects
Kidney,
Kidney,
Jing,
Jing.
Which
Baba na
condition
yung
indicate weak constitutional Jing?
frequent cold.
frequent cold.
Which substance is most difficult to restore?
Jing.
So, wag na wag na magsayang ng Jing. Organ pair is central to post-heaven essence.
Spleen,
Spleen and
Yeah. The kidney store
Jing,
Jing nourishes the fetus together with maternal.
kidney, Jing, Chi.
Jing, blood,
Yeah. Which symptom reflects weakened marrow?
Dizziness.
Dizziness. Weak Jing may affect
All of the above.
all of the above. The sea of marrow refers
brain,
Brain.
which factor may weaken inherited Jing at conception?
Drugs or alcohol.
Hmm. Okay. Which substance is considered the densest form among the three treasures?
Jing.
Which treasure is most subtle and immaterial?
Shan,
Shan.
Kidney essence is essential for.
All of the above.
Wow. The best summary of Jing is.
is
The body's fundamental essence of life and development.
Okay, if you want to live, no? You have to what? Replenish your or do not overuse your S.
With
Wow,
Jing.
much. May mga mali lang pero not bad. Join us again next week.